I need my coffee.
Great. You can't eat this. It's breakfast time. I'm allowed to waffle because waffle is a breakfast food.
Releasing my inner Carol Baskin, except I'm not gonna, like, you know, murder anyone.
Definitely easier.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and today my battery's dying. Today I'm doing a what I eat in a day vegan quarantine edition. If you didn't know, I'm vegan. Hi, hello. Do it for the animals. I really like the animals. Typically I do cruelty-free makeup videos and, like, you know, fashion. Sometimes I'm in my beauty room right now. As you can see, I spent the whole day yesterday decorating this room, so I'm minorly exhausted right now. It's currently 1 in the afternoon and I've been awake since 10. I've just been laid down in my bed because I've been absolutely exhausted. But yeah, today I'm going to be filming a what I eat in a day quarantine edition, so I hope you enjoy it. It's not like super healthy, it's not super unhealthy, it's just kind of like balanced, you know, very realistic. Also, my mum follows Slimming World, so I kind of know like most of the rules for that, so throughout the video in my recipes I'm adding a couple of little like tips in, if you follow Slimming World plan, on how to make things lower sin. But yeah, other than that, I hope you enjoy the video. Let's get on with it. I'm really sorry that I look like this throughout the whole video. I'm not wearing any makeup today because I'm shattered. Honestly, I'm shattered and I can't be bothered. So yeah, this is what you're dealing with. But nevertheless, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Let me know if you want to see more food videos. If you just like makeup and fashion, then keep subscribing, you know, got lots coming. And yeah, let's get on with the video. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. I've been filming like food TikToks and like I filmed a TikTok of me doing my wall. I've been a little TikToker recently, so if you want to go and follow me on there, EROSEGLITZ, like everywhere else, so you can't get lost. And yeah, let's get on with me eating because I want my coffee and I need my coffee. And I'm gonna go make myself some coffee because I cannot function without my coffee. Like, you may think, oh, you sound pretty functioning right now. On the inside, I'm going crazy. Like, I start talking waffle if I don't have my coffee. So, I mean, I waffle anyway without my coffee, but like, yeah. I don't think I really like portray my personality enough, like when I film these videos, because obviously I'm just doing makeup and I'm trying to like teach people makeup. But like, I am an absolute insane person. If you get me talking, I will not shut up. But I have nothing to talk about. I will still talk. Like, it's got to the point where I'm having conversations, like literal conversations with my dogs and my cats, because I have no one to talk to. I'm just like waffling on and like answering back as the dogs. I probably shouldn't put this in the video. People are going to think I'm insane, but like, maybe I am. So yeah, like I said, I usually cut most of my waffling out in my videos because I feel like no one wants to see someone talk about absolute nothingness like I'm doing now. But you know what? It's breakfast time. I'm allowed to waffle because waffle is a breakfast food, therefore it's happening. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. I might cut this out when I'm editing it, probably will, this is what I usually do. I like to use syrup in my coffee. I don't like just using plain sugar. I like to have a bit of flavour. So this one's my favourite. It's from TK Maxx. As you can see, I'm running low, which I'm really upset about because I don't know what I'm going to do when it runs out. I'm going to have to start using sugar. I don't want to start having to use sugar. Not that there's anything wrong with sugar, I just like having flavours and like variety. Like, I'll always go and buy a different flavoured syrup every time I go to TK Maxx, just for the variety. I will happily dump a load of sugar on my Weetabix. It's not the health aspect, it's just the flavour. I also always get the ones in the glass bottles as opposed to the plastic bottles, because the plastic bottles and the glass bottles are the same price, you get the same amount, but glass is recyclable. I hired my sister as my barista a couple of weeks ago. I paid her to be my barista because I was thinking, like, if I went to Costa, not that I ever do, I would spend, what, £3 on a drink? £2.50 on a drink? So I was like, you know what, I can't be bothered making myself a drink every morning. I'm going to employ my sibling, give her a little bit of money, you know, as my personal barista. And she was making me whipped coffees every morning, she was making me breakfast, and now she's not here, she's quarantining with her boyfriend. So So I'm having to make my own coffee. Like, oh God forbid I have to make my own coffee. But yeah, that's what's happening. I'm waffling because I don't want to do it. Like, I want to drink I'm just gonna do it. Okay, so completely scrap what I said about my syrup. So I'm gonna make myself a whipped coffee because you know what? I just saw a girl do it and it took her like a minute because she did it in a cool way. So I'm gonna try and do it in a cool way. So you have to use sugar for that, so I'm gonna attempt it. If it goes bad, I'm just gonna have a sugary coffee that's not whipped, but still a coffee nevertheless. Great. This is my favorite instant coffee, by the way. Don't know if anyone actually drinks instant coffee. I have a Nescafe machine, but this one from Aldi, it's Colombian roast. It's just my favorite. I don't know why, it just tastes great. And the packaging is cute. I'm not left-handed, so I don't know why I'm doing this with my left hand, but yeah. I think I had a tablespoon of water. I've never done this myself. I don't have the arm strength to. But I saw a girl do it on TikTok and it seemed like she'd perfected a bit of an easier method. So for me, this will do because I want my coffee and I can't bother whisking some more. But that was definitely easier. I'm also just going to add a bit of the Asda single soya cream alternative into my coffee because we're not trying to be health queens, you know? If I tried, I still wouldn't be able to be a health queen or being realistic. And I want some cream in my coffee. Also, please excuse the mess. I've been arts and crafting. Like some of the prints on my wall that I showed you before in the intro, I painted myself because I'm an arts and crafts queen. I'm not a health queen, I'm an arts and crafts queen. So yeah, I'm gonna add some cream because it tastes good. Well, that was supposed to be cute looking, but you know, got my white bread and my crackers in the background and it didn't go down and there's crumbs all over and there's alcohol. Yeah. And spaghetti. I need to sort my little toasts, and of course I've got them on my smiley face yellow plate because I like to start my day happy with a nice smiley yellow plate. I don't know. So I'm gonna be I'm gonna be using the Nature's Store hazelnut and cocoa spread. It's vegan, it's gluten-free, tastes like Nutella basically. And on the other, I'm gonna be using my peanut butter. I got this from Aldi. It's like a giant tub. It is, I think it's a kilogram. And I can hold it like this because it's pretty much empty. That's how much I really like peanut butter. So yeah, that is my brunch. I'm sorry, but that looks so good. I mean, I know I kind of like broke some of the banana up, so it doesn't look like aesthetically pleasing and there's crumbs on the plate, but I'm hungry, so this is gonna have to do. You can't eat this. I'd usually eat it outside in the garden, but as you can see, it's raining and it's miserable. So yeah, I'm not gonna do that because it's cold. I'm just gonna sit here and eat it with my little dog by my side because when there's food, there is Ollie. I'm also just drinking water out of my little bottle. Again, I didn't quite realise how many reusable things I use in a day. This is making me feel so good about myself. Just one of these vacuum bottles. They keep hot liquids hot for 10 hours and cold liquids cold for 24 hours. I got this at Tesco. It was like on sale for £2.99. Obviously you can get the branded ones from Chili's, but they're like £30. So I'm not spending that much on a bottle. My sister did, I am not. So yeah, £2.99. It's got a little leopard print on. Releasing my inner Carol Baskin. Except I'm not gonna like, you know, murder anyone. Okay, so it's now about 5 o'clock, 5:30ish. As you can see, I'm laying in my bed. I mentioned at the start of the video I was spending the whole day yesterday doing my wall, and now I have had a little crash. It didn't hit me this much, but that's how I can't speak. It now makes sense why I was so jittery this morning. I was like heading for a crash. Like if you don't know anyone with ME or you've never experienced anything like that before, basically it doesn't like hit you, the tiredness doesn't hit you straight away. Like obviously you get tired after doing an activity, but it's not like you do the activity and then you're suddenly tired, like absolutely exhausted and flawed. It's like you do the activity and you're like weakened and you have to rest, but then it's like the day after or the day after that it just absolutely hits you. You feel like you've been hit by a bus. Yeah, I've been lay here for about 3 hours and I'm only just getting up, like, you know, the energy to talk. So I've just been sat with my flowers because they've not opened yet, but they're really cute and I'm starting to get hungry. So I'm going to go and make myself a meal. I'm just going to make myself a really simple pasta dish. Like, I was going to make myself a big fat, like, salad with, like, things on the side and, like, make it all fancy. Honestly, I don't have the effort to do that right now. I do not have the energy. So I'm just going to make myself a nice little spaghetti dish with some creamy sauce, maybe some mushrooms, and what else can I have with it? Maybe a sweet potato burger, because it's easy. Just shove it in one pan and then shove it all together and eat it. Also, if you are doing Slimming World, my mum does Slimming World, so I've picked up a few like tips and tricks along the way on how to make like really indulgent meals, low sin or sin free. So if you do Slimming World and want like vegan alternatives, let me know in the comments and I can do more cooking videos, because a lot of the things I cook these days are lower sin or to go alongside a Slimming World, you know, plan, because I often cook for my mum as well, because I just cook double the batch of what I make and she has the other batch. I'm going to give myself another 15 minutes and then just get up, because otherwise when I start feeling hungry I have about 15 minutes before I get to the stage where I am dizzy and I'm about to pass out. I don't know why it happens. Like, I can be just completely full, completely, you know, satiated, is that the word? And then I'll start feeling a bit hungry and within 15 minutes I'm like passing out on the floor as if I've not eaten for hours. I don't know. I'm messed up. She's so cute. So yeah, this is basically an introduction video to all my animals. Right, so I've stacked you up on my peanut butter and a seasoning jar, so hopefully it doesn't fall. But I've got my spaghetti cooking. I would prefer linguine or tagliatelle. I'm also watching the dogs, making sure she doesn't bark. I would prefer linguine or tagliatelle, but I went through both of those, so spaghetti it is. I just like spaghetti with like a nice surface area to cling to the sauce, you know. So I'm going to put one of these Aldi sweet potato burgers in. These are half a sin each. If you do Slimming World, they're really, really tasty. They taste great. Kind of like a giant falafel, but so much nicer. And then I'm going to start making the sauce. So as I said, if you want a lower sin, then you can blend silken tofu. It like comes in a carton like this, and you just need like that much of the carton. Just like chop it up, put it into a blender with some water, like season it, and that would basically equate to this. But I'm just going to use this because I've got it that I need to use in my fridge anyway, and I don't want to open tofu just for the sake of a video. Basically, you can just do this recipe using this instead and taking out the butter, and it'll create a really nice creamy sin-free sauce. As like the cheesy kind of savoury flavour, I'm going to add nutritional yeast. This is 1 sin per tablespoon, so if you do these two together, you've got a really nice creamy sauce for 1 sin. Also, this is the most unflattering angle ever. My face looks so round. And then I've just added in some soya milk and some soya cream, and I'm just going to keep this on a low heat, keep stirring it, and just let it thicken whilst everything else cooks. I'm also just adding some of the water from the pasta pan into the sauce. I think at first that you've added too much in, but literally just mix it in and let it simmer for like a few minutes, and it'll just create a really, really nice sauce. And I've just put the pasta into the sauce. I'm just gonna let it just chill in there for a bit. Obviously I made too much sauce for this portion of pasta,
because I'm going to save the leftover sauce and put it in a pot in the fridge so that I can make this again yesterday. So make this again tomorrow without having to like go through all of the effort of making the sauce. I can just like reheat it. Like, I'm sorry, but how good does that look? Excusing this bit where I dripped the sauce, but how good does that look? That looks so good. And it's vegan and it's low sin. If you use, I didn't use the cream in the end, I ended up just using some milk. But yeah, obviously as you can tell, I like mine really saucy. So this is the finished pasta with the sauce, with the nice garlic mushrooms, with the sweet potato burger, and I'm gonna have it with a cup of water. I'm feeling quite, you know, weak today, like because of everything. So I've got it in a plastic cup. The things we have to do, because I probably couldn't pick up a glass cup right now and actually drink from it. So yeah, this is my dinner. 1 sin for the pasta, half sin for the burger, so all of this for 1.5 sins is not bad. So I'm gonna have half of one of these pots. I don't buy them because they're 10 calories, I just buy them because they're vegan. They have no gelatin in them, so they're suitable for vegetarians. So if you have a child who's vegetarian, or if you're vegetarian and you just miss jelly, or if you just want a low calorie snack, this, you know, these are great. This one's my favourite flavour, as well as the mango and passion fruit one. But I'm going to have this one today. I'm going to have half of one because I don't want a full one. And then I'm also just going to have it with some of this ice cream. This isn't my favourite one, it's my second favourite one. My favourite is the peanut butter and cookies one. That is absolutely incredible. But when we went to the shop, they only had this one. So yeah, I'm just going to have some of this with me jelly. Hello, Oliver. And yeah, it's going to be my little snack. So yeah, oi, Oliver. That's my dessert. Half a jelly and some ice cream. Not bad. So I'm just gonna eat my bowl of jelly and ice cream right now, and then I think that's it. That's all I'm gonna eat today. I am pretty exhausted, so I'm probably gonna try and just have a chill night and not really do much. What time is it now? It's 6:30, so I'm not really gonna do much for the rest of the evening. I'm probably just gonna sit and watch some films. Give me some recommendations, please. Also, any books. I put it on my story a few weeks ago, but I forgot to actually save the recommendations. So if you have any book recommendations, then please let me know down below. And yeah, other than that, I am going to go now. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you enjoy me waffling on. And if you don't, I mean, don't tell me that you don't enjoy me waffling on. Just don't comment, please. My lack of ego can't take it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you next time. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, all the good things, and I will see you next time. Bye!